Have you ever seen a pond covered in green? That could be duckweed. This tiny aquatic plant is the most widespread floating plant worldwide. In just days, it can blanket a pond's surface. Duckweed, known scientifically as Lemna minor, is easily identifiable. It features small, flat, oval green fronds. Each frond is 1.5 to 5 millimeter long and has a single root extending beneath the water. The upper side is bright green while the underside is slightly lighter. It's crucial to distinguish duckweed from similar species. For instance, watermeal has smaller, rootless fronds, while giant duckweed has larger fronds with multiple roots. A simple tip? Count the roots. Lemna has one per frond, while others have none or many. Duckweed thrives in nutrient-rich environments. Warm temperatures and high nutrient levels can cause its population to double within 24 to 48 hours. This is mainly through vegetative reproduction, where one frond splits into two. In colder months, it can survive using dense, dormant fronds that sink to the bottom. Ecologically, duckweed is beneficial. It provides cover for aquatic invertebrates and serves as food for fish and waterfowl. But when nutrient levels spike, duckweed can become a nuisance. A dense mat can block sunlight and deplete oxygen, leading to fish kills. Managing duckweed isn't just about removing it. The key is nutrient reduction, addressing excess phosphorus and nitrogen that promote blooms. Implementing watershed-level nutrient management is crucial. This includes reducing fertilizer runoff and managing waterfowl activities. Duckweed can be found throughout the U.S. and across every continent except Antarctica. It thrives in calm, nutrient-rich water bodies like ponds and ditches. Managing duckweed effectively requires an integrated approach. Start with nutrient management, then consider physical or chemical removal if necessary. Certain fish can also help keep duckweed in check. So, is duckweed harmful to fish? In moderate amounts, it's usually not a problem. However, too much can lead to dangerous oxygen depletion. Manual removal can work for small infestations, but won't resolve underlying nutrient issues. Remember, duckweed and algae blooms are different. Duckweed consists of individual plants, while algal blooms are microscopic and can discolor water. Understanding duckweed helps us appreciate its role in ecosystems and manage it wisely. Keep your ponds healthy with proper management practices. If you're dealing with duckweed issues, consider exploring effective control methods or seeking advice from experts.